Hey guys, so I'm in MC Parks Creative right now, and I have created the ultimate roller coaster. It's continuous, and I think it's pretty cool, so you guys might want to show it. I'm going to show you how to build this. So, first thing you do, I've just used emeralds for this, but you can use any block you wish. And, so, I started with again, you can customize this the way you wish. So I started with a 5 block wide base, and then you start building up like kind of stairs, if that makes sense, on both sides. So what you do to one side, you do to the other. So let's do that. And then every so many blocks you place a powered rail. You will need a powered rails, and redstone torches to make this. And obviously a minecart because it is a roller coaster. So, what you'll have to do. It's kind of sad, guys, but they erased my ultimate water park.
Why?
Because I have a new map. I'm going to download the map because it's up on Tuesday, so I'm going to download it. And continue. So then, what you do here is you basically you obviously add a redstone torch every time you see a powered rail, just so it is actually powered, because otherwise it's useless. And then when you get to the top here, you turn, and then you just come right back down. It's kind of like the, it's not exactly how I intended it to be, but I think this is the coolest part. So, I attached this first thing. It's where you're supposed to place the minecart right here on this powered rail, but I attached it to redstone, and I attached that to this boost, so now whenever I flip the lever, the redstone turns on, which turns on the powered rail. So, as you can see here, if I have that there, it doesn't do anything, but if I flip the switch, it still needs a little push, so I'm just going to hop in it and show you what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? Enjoy the music. I'm just going to talk. So then here's how to make the little platform up here. So you need to make it to turn around. So here's what I did here. I'm going to show you how to make it here. So let's say, I don't know, maybe here is the top of my staircase, for example, and I have rails and then a powered rail up here. It works, so for this side I did it on one side, and then I just did it on the opposite side for the other, so it works. And why does the McDonald's sign have a W instead of an M? WickDonald's. Alright, so what you do for either side, I'm going to do it on this side since I'm trying to go like the opposite of that. So you start by pretty much building a little more stairs here. I put the torch there just so I can keep this other powered rail you will need. So you have to use just a normal rail for turns. Then I use a powered rail just to get higher. And there are lots of turns in this, so you've been warned. And there's another turn here, right? No. Sorry, wrong way.
Hey guys, here I go. Hey, yeah, there's you. What is that? You.
And then you need it to turn here so it can go back onto the track. So what you do there is you add you add an extra rail, and then you destroy that block, and it will just stay as turned. Okay. So that's how you create the turn there. You start with like, here you start with stairs and then you do the 4x4 base. Just a little simpler. You do a 4x4 base and then for the turn you have to use a turn in one of the corners, and in two of the other corners you use powered rails, and to power the rails you have one single redstone torch just to make it a little easier and easier with supplies. Then you need one more step and just sideways to that to make a 180-degree turn. Then there's another powered rail, and there's a final step. There's one last step up, and then you have to place the block of emerald, the extra rail. I'm going to show you that again. So you place the block of emerald, or whatever block you're using, then you place one more rail and destroy the ones you just placed, so it stays curved. And the effect of that would be continuous turn. So it's a very simple design, but I think it's cool and I wanted to share it with you guys. So thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. And I'm working on the download time right now because it takes way too long right now for me to shrink, or I have not been able to shrink because I wasn't aware you can, but I didn't know you can shrink the size of Fraps videos, but now I do, so I'm going to use EasyVid to do that, and thanks for watching. See you guys later.